10 graders, we are going to start with your chapter 1, okay, of geometry. And so I have decided to do it in the notebook itself so that you'll understand what is the presentation that is required, okay. And I hope you all maintain this kind of presentation. This I do with all the kids that I teach on a regular basis. So we practice this kind of presentation since the 9th grade. Okay. So your presentation should look somewhat like this. Draw a thick line on the left, then a small thin line on the right, so that nothing gets overlapped. Then you draw the figures. Okay. We are going to do example 1 on page number 1. Okay. So this is your chapter 1, that is similarity. Okay. So we are going to start with the most interesting and fun formula that we are going to do. That is ratio of area of two triangles. Now understand, this is ratio of area of two triangles and not two similar triangles. Okay. So this is ratio of area of two triangles. And now we have to find out what is the ratio. So for example, we are taking this two sums, triangle. See, I have drawn the figures for you because to save a little bit time. So this is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So if you do want to write given and all, so let's write. Suppose if we have to consider given. So in this triangle, given is AD is the height for triangle ABC and BC is the base for triangle ABC. I'll just write one and show you. Okay. In triangle ABC, segment AD is the height and segment BC is the base. Now this information, the faster you all write, the better it is. Okay, the faster you all write this, it is better for this particular thing. So also you have to mention for triangle PQR also. The more the better. आपके सामने ही सब information रहता है. It's easier to solve the sum. Okay. So now let's come directly. So what have they told us to find? See kids, this is the corollary or this is the formula. Okay. But I'm still trying to write down everything and make it more presentable. Okay. So now what we have to find, or what is the formula that will that we need to lead to? That is area of, what will be area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So let's conclude. Okay, let's see how will we find it. So solution, okay, for this is a particular formula. This is your first corollary. Okay, now by formula we know area of triangle ABC. Now I gave you an activity to find the area of a triangle. So area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. That is half into, what is the base of here? BC into the height. What is the height? AD. Okay, this is your first. Okay, now let's go on to the second one. Area of triangle PQR. That is half into base into height. See, because this is your base and this is your height in this case. Okay, this is your height and this is your base in this case. So this is your second statement. For both, now in geometry you always have reasons. So you write by formula. Okay, for both of them. Yeah, I came to know this because I know by formula and this by formula. So this is nothing but reasons. We have to have statements, and each statement, most of the statements have a reason to support them. Okay, now what do we have to find next is, I didn't write the formula for this, I directly substituted. Okay, so now we have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which will finally give us our corollary, you call it your formula or whatever. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So let's see. That will be half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PS. So cancel half and half. Okay, it gets cancelled. So finally, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is given as BC into AC upon QR into PS. So if you want to summarize such a thing, okay, so you can tell it as ratio of area of one triangle upon ratio of area of the other triangle is equals to height into base of the first triangle, height into base of the second triangle. Okay, this you can just take it as a formula. Okay, I'm holding this for 2 seconds. Okay, just revising, this is your first triangle, this is your second triangle, ABC PQR. BC is the base, AD is the height. Here QR is the base, PS is the height. Now this is your corollary, which will give you area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, what it is. Okay, so apply the formula of here. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, that is half into BC into AD. Area of triangle PQR is equals to half into QR into PS. Okay, that is by formula. Then you take the ratio. Okay, half and half gets cancelled. You have BC into AC. Okay, sorry, mistake over here. See, BC into AD, correct? I'm really sorry. BC into AD. BC into AD upon QR into PS and BC into AD upon QR into PS. So this is by, so this is height 1 into base 1, height 2 into base 2. So this summarizes our what is your this. Now there are conditions. Abhi conditions hote hai ki what according to the conditions. Let's see. So condition 1. We have condition 1 where it's saying that if the height of both the triangles is equal, then what do you all do? What is the formula? How will you all do it? Okay. So here again you can have given in triangle ABC. I request you all to write the given in your notes. Okay. In triangle ABC, BC is the base, AD is the height represented by H. In triangle PQR, QR is the base, PS is the height represented by H. Now H and H indicate that AD and PS are equal. Okay, so we have the same height as the condition tells us. Okay, so I'll directly jump into concluding the conclusion for you. That is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. See, now we already know that area of one triangle upon area of the other triangle is equals to height into base of the first triangle upon height into base of the second triangle. Okay, so that's what we'll do over here. Height over here is H, base is BC. Height over here is H and base is QR. H and H gets cancelled. So we conclude by the formula BC upon QR. So this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is nothing but base of the first triangle upon base of the second triangle, because height is common. That is your condition 1. And see, तो figure भी देख, आपको figure भी देखना चाहिए. There are a lot of figures that you will come across, and in that, see, the height is same over here. Now इधर दो distinct triangle दिया है. Every time it's not going to be like that. You will see in the further sums. Okay, every time it cannot be like that. It can be, you know, coinciding figures like this one. Now this is for your condition 2. Okay, so in condition 2, what are they saying is the base is equal. Let's see what they mean by base. I'll just so this triangle ACB, CD is the height H1 and AB is the base. Okay. The other triangle that we're talking about is PAB, where PQ is the height H2 and PQ is the height H2 and AB is the base. So let me just darken this particular triangle for you. So PAB. Okay, PAB. Now in this triangle you can see clearly PQ is the height, but again AB is the base. So it has a common base. Okay. So let's again just conclude. जैसे हम लोगों को दो triangles. So area of triangle ACB upon area of triangle PAB is equals to, by the first formula, height 1 into base 1 upon height 2 into base 2. तो यही formula apply करेंगे इधर. Okay, that is. Let me just take a break for 2 minutes. Okay, so here. Okay, that is CD into AB upon PQ into AB. CD is nothing but H1 into AB upon H2 into AB. Okay, AB is common, gets cancelled. Therefore, actually in geometry nothing, you cannot cancel like this. You can just write AB is equals to AB, or you can say that is same base. So we do not need to cancel it. Okay, this is your reason ka column, right hand side all the time. Okay, so do not cancel it, just write the statement, it will be more than enough. Then we conclude area of triangle ACB upon area of triangle PAB is equal to H1 upon H2. So by this we conclude your two conditions. Okay, two conditions are clearly seen over here. Condition 1, see, I can write this as base 1 upon base 2. So when the heights are equal, then we have base 1 upon base 2, and when the bases are equal, we have height 1 upon height 2. Now with the knowledge of this, let's tackle our activity. Okay, so this is your activity. Okay, this is your activity. Let's see. Now in this activity, as you'll see in the figure, I'll give you time to absorb it a little bit. So these are your two conditions and this is your original. Okay, so there are 3 in total. Okay, B1, H1 into B1 upon H2 into B2, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2. Then we have, if there is, suppose if you have area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2 and heights are equal, then it will be base 1 upon base 2. Then if bases are equal, then it will be height 1 upon height 2. I hope you will have understood this. Let's try and do 3 activities, and then maybe in the part 1.2 we will do the exercise based on particular this one. Okay, so area of triangle ABC, area of triangle APQ. Okay, this you have to find. Now let's see. I'll not write the given and all. Okay, in this it's not required. We'll directly go on to the solution. But here statements will be required and reasons. We'll have to differentiate between that at least. Okay. So, first one, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. Let's search for it in the figure. Area of triangle ABC. So ABC is this big triangle. APQ is this. I am highlighting it for you. APQ is this. Okay. ABC and APQ. Okay. So ABC and APQ. So in ABC, AR is the height and BC is the base. So, as by your formula, it is base into height upon base PQ into height AR. Okay, so you can write ratio of area of two triangles. This will be your reasons. Try not leaving this column empty. Okay, as and when the reason is available, please write it down. Okay, now let me see. Therefore, if there is value, put the value, otherwise it's not required. Now, but you can see AR is common to AR. Now I am putting circles, please don't put circles. AR is equal, I am only giving for explanation. AR is equal to AR. So, obviously it will get cancelled, but we do not show. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equals to BC upon PQ. Okay, you can say since AR is equals to AR is the same base. You need not do it like this. You can directly write this formula, this step, and you can write this. Okay, but to be on the safer side. Okay. Now, since I have place over here, I will take the liberty to summarize for you. And we will move on to the next two examples. So, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 in normal situations is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Suppose we have condition 1. Area 1 upon area 2 is equal. So, as you see, heights are equal. Get cancelled. So, it will be base 1, base 2 in case H1 is equals to H2 is equals to H. Okay. Third condition, area 1 upon area 2 is nothing but H1 upon H2 when B1 is equals to B2 is equals to B. Okay. So these are your three conditions. Write it down and remember it for your first part. Okay. Of your, and a lot of sums do appear. One sum to 100% expect. Okay. Now, let's try the second and the third example of the activity. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try this. So, in this figure, you can see the triangle LMN and DMN. So, we have to find area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN. Okay. So, solution. First, let's write it down. Area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN. Told you be ready for the reasons. Okay. Area of triangle LMN and area of triangle DMN. LMN. Okay. This triangle DMN, I'll darken it for you. Okay, you can see over here. Now we see that LMN, MN is common for it. Okay, DMN, MN is common for it. So how you can write directly? Look at this. Okay, so it will be directly LP upon DQ because base is equal. So right over here, ratio of area of two triangles with equal base MN. Just write this MN. Okay, and that's it. This is your conclusion. That's it. Just a one step. And these sums do appear. Okay, so that they get an understanding of your concept. Now in this, it is clearly given. This is a very important sum again. Okay, these kind of sums are always asked. They are giving you that M is the midpoint. I'm sorry about the glare. So M is the midpoint they're giving. So this will be equal to this. I think you already know that midpoint is indicated by this particular two lines. Okay, so M is the midpoint, means AM is equals to MB, and it is with the same height. Okay, and we have to find area of triangle CAM and area of triangle CMB. Okay, since M is the midpoint and height is equal, then it only concludes that area of triangle CAM upon area of, okay, given me we'll write M is the midpoint of AB. We'll write M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, solution, or to find, you can write find also. I'm skipping it as of now. Okay, so that is area of triangle CAM upon area of triangle CMB. Okay, since they've given us that the height is equal, so we have AM upon MB. Okay, you can say ratio of area of two triangles. Okay, but since M is the midpoint, these two are equal. Therefore, area of triangle CAM upon area of triangle CMB will be 1 upon 1. Therefore, it can also be concluded area of triangle CAM is equal to area of triangle CMB. So this can be written this way. Okay, so this is for your activity. We will be doing the practice set in the next part. You all can still try any sum from the practice set that you all think you all can pull off. Okay, okay, so you're in the meanwhile start with the practice set and till I upload the other video. Thank you. Bye. So hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.